waiting for something to change. My boredom wraps around me, holding back a burning rage. I want to move, but I can't cut through these rubber chains. Out of books to read, out of songs to sing, out of films to see, out of friends to ring, out of options to escape. Out of love and out of fear, where the strongest links appear. But it feels like they're only in tales of fiction. My hands behind my back, waiting for something to change. My boredom wraps around me, holding back a burning rage. I want to move, but I can't cut through these rubber chains. My hands behind my back, tying themselves with a chain. My boredom wraps around me, holding back my will to change. I need to move, but I can't break through this rubber cell. In a foggy dream facing me, I see things that I could have, but a part of me